Taking notes is one of the most important parts of studying. However, it is even more important to know how to write your notes in the correct way. It is a waste to simply write down every word of information that you want to learn and remember. Notes are meant to be short and quick points. Your points should contain mainly the key facts, short forms, and even quick symbols or images about the topics that you are studying. However, be careful not to make your notes too messy. There will be no point if you cannot understand them later. Learn to identify and write down what is relevant information. It is better to first make notes of information that is new to you. Later, you should add what you are already familiar with. Along with that, you must highlight those key facts and important terms in your notes. Doing so will greatly improve your revision and memory. You can try to use colored highlighters, which will later be visual guides, to help you remember your notes. An extremely beneficial suggestion we would like to offer is for you to understand and follow the golden rule. This rule states that you should go through your notes as soon as you are done writing them. Studies show that those who don't immediately review the notes will end up forgetting 40% of the information learned after the first 24 hours. Within 48 hours, 60% of all that is learned will be forgotten. Don't you agree that without immediate revision, this would be a huge waste of your hard work and efforts? Use your textbooks as a guide to fill any blanks you may have left, and to make sure that you have written down all the necessary facts. Additionally, writing your own notes by hand is also a proven way to help you remember information for longer. By writing, you actually understand the topics. It is also the best way to automatically make sense of and write down what is important in the chapter or topic. It also allows you to know your areas of weakness and strength in every subject and chapter. We hope you don't assume that only taking notes will make you get good grades. You will end up cramming a lot of information at the last moment. By cramming, you will only increase your stress with absolutely no learning benefit. Regularly revising and adding to your notes is the key to your success. Only through repeated revision, you will be able to monitor your growth in each subject. Creating flashcards can be a great way to take down quick notes of your definitions, equations, and key terms. To learn more about flashcards, do watch our video on how to cover the entire syllabus in less time.